In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on Shopify quickly and easily. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Orders, then select Draft Orders. Click Create Draft Order and add the products or services you want to invoice. You can browse your catalog and choose the items to include. Next, add a customer to the draft order by selecting an existing customer or entering their details. If needed, apply discounts, shipping charges, or custom notes. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Shopify will open the invoice email where you can review the customer's email address, customize the message, and check the payment details. After reviewing everything, click Send Notification to deliver the invoice to your customer. That's it. Your Shopify invoice has been sent, and your customer can use the invoice link to complete their payment. Thanks for watching.